The Quran contains several verses that describe the development of the fetus in the mother's womb, and many of these descriptions are consistent with modern scientific understanding. For example, in Surah Al-Mu'minun, the Quran describes the creation of human beings from a drop of fluid and then the formation of the embryo. We created man from an extract of clay, then we made him as a drop in a place of settlement, firmly fixed. Then we made the drop into an alaqa, leech-like structure. Then we made the alaqa into a mudgha, chewed-like lump. Then we made out of that mudgha bones. Then we clothed the bones with flesh. And then we brought him forth as another creation. So blessed be Allah, the best creators. In this verse, the Quran first describes the formation of the fertilized egg, then its attachment to the uterine wall, the place of settlement, and then its transformation into leech-like structure, the alaqa. Then the term alaqa can also mean a blood clot, which is consistent with the fact that at this stage, the developing embryo is attached to the uterine wall and receives nutrients through the mother's blood. The Quran then describes the embryo's transformation into mudgha, which means a chew-like lump. This is consistent with the fact that at this stage, the embryo begins to take on a more recognizable human shape with a head, torso, and limbs, but it still has overall shape that is somewhat indistinct. Finally, the Quran describes the formation of the bones and flesh, which is also consistent with modern scientific understanding of fetal development. Overall, while the Quran does not provide a detailed scientific description of fetal development, the description it does provide are generally consistent with modern scientific understanding, particularly in terms of the general sequence of events.